If you watch my latest video on gold decoration and Santa Village ideas, I mentioned that there will be more Christmas decorations going on. So on today's video, help me decorate our dining area. By the way, this is Carol, and if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell as well so you'll be notified on my future videos. Christmas is my favorite time of the year, and even of what's going on around, I still love to decorate to feel the spirit of love and giving. working on the theme blue and gold and a little bit of white to match the color of our belongings here. Many of you might ask where I get some of my decorations here. Well, I usually shop TJ Maxx, Michaels, at home, and Big Lots.
The herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. With angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King.
There will be one more indoor decoration in my next video, and that's our family room where our Christmas tree located, and then followed by our outdoor Christmas decorations. That's all for today's video, and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and I love you.